am the son of petitioner number 1, Amit Kumar Dotto.
Son of the petitioner number 1. And what is your relationship with the others? Respondent number
They are
2,
my
petitioner.
aunt and my uncle.
Aunt and uncle. Why have you not engaged any counsel?
My lord, there are 2 reasons for that. My
Yes.
father is severely ill. He is in bedridden condition. I did not have that much time to discuss the entire matter with a learned counsel or an advocate.
But there are 6
Alright.
petitioners. 6 petitions.
I see. And did all the 6 give you the power to
Yes, my lord.
appear before the court?
Yes, my lord.
What do you do? What do you do?
I am engaged in service.
You are engaged in service. And are you acquainted as to how the matters are moved before the court? The legal procedure and everything?
Yes, my lord, not the entire process, but I am at least competent enough to present these facts before this.
All right, please proceed.
My lord, this case has got a long history of deprivation and dispossession and infringement of the legal rights of the petitioners since the year 1987.
Please be very short as to what is your prayer.
My lord, several illegal buildings, unauthorized buildings have been raised upon premises number 32 without the consent of the petitioners who are the title holders. And these titles were conferred by different orders of this Honorable Court. On 4th September 1992 by the Honorable Single Bench of Justice.
I get it. Now you tell me who are the persons responsible for making these constructions?
It might be the subtenants who were under us or some other private persons. We are
Do not know.
No, my lord.
Do you all stay over there?
No, my lord.
You all don't stay?
No, my lord.
Till you can pinpoint somebody who is making the construction, then who will the corporation run after?
My lord.
You have not implemented anybody as private respondents over here?
No, my lord. We are not aware about who have rose those illegal buildings, who have erected those illegal buildings and under.
And since when are these constructions going on?
My lord, it is going on for a long time. Most of the buildings, I have the record that petitioner number 1 informed the respondent number 7 and the other respondents to stop the illegal constructions at those premises in the year 1991. And thereafter, no step was taken. And right now, at this moment, there are 3 illegal buildings.
Illegal buildings?
3 illegal
How
buildings.
big are those buildings?
5-storied, 4-storied.
After the 5-story and 4-story comes up, it's there for so many years. Suddenly you wake up and then come before the court alleging illegal construction. Why is it so?
My lord, my father was the leading person in conducting all these legal processes. He fell ill.
So you took over?
Yes, my lord, just because to seek justice for my family members. My lord, I would humbly request you to...
Did you ever lodge any objection before the corporation alleging these illegal constructions?
Yes, my lord, there are several...
Which page do I get that?
My lord, kindly come to page 60. Annexure 9.
1987?
Yes, my lord. Then on page 63. My lord, respondent number 7 was informed several times through several letters. Apart from the annexures that I have placed here, there are numerous other documents which will prove the injustice has been done upon the petitioners.
See, a structure which is there for more than 30 years. Does it not mean that you accepted those structures?
No, my lord. These structures were raised during the subsistence of order of status quo passed by Honorable Justice Bhagavati Prasad Banerjee on 26 June 1996. The order is in force till date.
Right. So if any act is done contrary to the direction passed by the court, then a contempt application is
Yes, my lord, one contempt petition C-Pen 276 of 1997 is still pending in this honorable court.
From 97 till 2024 it is pending.
Yes, my lord.
Right. What steps did you take to get that matter heard?
My father persuaded the matter and he has informed the respondent authorities through several letters to correct the records of rights and to mutate their names, but no step has been taken. After filing that contempt petition in the year 1999, my grandmother, that is the mother of petitioner number 1, was diagnosed with breast cancer. and he had to divert his attention towards the treatment of his mother. She expired in 2003, and on 2004,
Anyway, all these things will not help you in overcoming the limitation, right? Writ petitions are required to be filed immediately when the illegal act is
my lord,
noticed.
there is another illegality. One illegal unauthorized madrasa was raised on our premises number 33 in the year 2012. My father filed a writ petition WP 21177W of 2012, which was restored in its original condition in the year 2023. My father could not pursue that. There are several photographs, my lord, I have attached it as annexure in annexure 19. Kindly come to page 125.
The address is 32 Ismail Street.
32 and 33.
32 and 33. Any report?
Well, no report, but I want to point out certain paragraphs. Paragraph 38 at page 17.
Yes.
That the petitioner said building owners in aided and abetted by the respondent authorities have erected buildings illegally on the premises. But he has not shown any connection regarding his title in respect of the property. This is number one, but there is no recent representation of which one the authority will consider. Another petition is pending. And another petition is pending practically on the
Same issues.
not say, but similar. But that is he has stated at page 14, paragraph 31.
Since 12.
Is it in respect of the self-same premises?
Yes, one of the self-same premises 33.
33, my lord.
31, 2012.
33. Another is 32. He is stated in
32 is the adjacent premises.
But why are you proceeding with one after other writ petitions if your earlier writ petition is pending on the self-same cause of action?
My lord, it has got a separate cause of action because it was against the respondent number 7. It was a matter of inaction of police because the illegal madrasa has been raised upon the premises and we have been forcefully restrained to enter the premises and have the access upon that land.
paragraph 38 shows that there are some person who has conducted the work.
My lord, we are the Thika tenants in respect of premises number 32.
Yes,
If the buildings would have been sanctioned, they would have been sanctioned in our names or in the names of the petitioners. But who has sanctioned that and how the building came up, we are not aware of that.
That he has stated.
Have you annexed the tax receipt?
Yes, my lord.
It stands in whose name?
Nirmal Krishna Dotto, my father's uncle. My lord, kindly come to annexure 16.
But then it also records that it is the estate of Maulavi Shobhan Ali Khan.
Yes, my lord. Maulavi Shobhan Ali Khan was the original landowner.
Yes.
And Babu Kartik Chandra Dotto, my great-great-grandfather, was tenant under him. And thereafter, in the year 1922, the legal heir of Shobhan Ali Khan, that is Muhammad Manzurul Haq, has executed a lease deed in favor of Horipada Dotto, who is the legal heir of Kartik Chandra Dotto.
Kindly come
Whatever, we do not require
paragraph
the names.
28, page 13 once. Paragraph 28, page 13 once.
Please come.
Paragraph 28, page 13 once.
Paragraph 28, page 13.
Yes. A Thika controller received rents from the subtenant without the consent of the petitioner. That means some other's name has been recorded with the Thika controller.
My lord, that was true during the subsistence of the.
There are a lot of issues regarding Thika tenancies, the owner
These are all
names.
complicated issues, disputed
Yes.
issues that cannot be.
No, but we are not adjudicating anything. But you look into the issue of unauthorized construction.
Kindly, he has to supply the names of the person responsible.
The petitioner,
If there is at all, if any at all.
My lord.
such person appears in person.
My lord, I would humbly request you to annexure
And
19.
make submissions on behalf of the petitioners. Stop. Complaint is with regard to unauthorized construction at premises number 32 and 33, Ismail Street, Kolkata 700014. Stop. Paragraph. It appears that the objection against such unauthorized construction was filed long back. Stop. Steps were not taken in the right earnest to proceed with the complaint against unauthorized construction. Step next. It further appears that there has been enough delay in proceeding with the issue of unauthorized construction at the subject premises. Paragraph. Nevertheless, as the petitioners insist that unauthorized construction exists at the subject premises, accordingly, leave is granted to the petitioners to file comprehensive representation highlighting the illegalities of the unauthorized construction that have been made. Step. If such representation is filed, the same shall be considered by the executive engineer,
not a party, my lord.
By the executive engineer of the concerned borough. In accordance with law, after giving reasonable opportunity of hearing to all the necessary parties and by passing a reasoned order. Step. If any remedial measure is required to be taken, the same shall be taken in accordance with law. Step. The writ petition stands disposed of. All the next one, please.
DH premises number গুলো দিয়ে দিও তাহলে
For the petitioner, my lord, may I file the affidavit?